Happy summer, everybody. This is a thank you video and an announcements video. Let's do the thank yous first. A couple weeks ago, I posted a video on my YouTube channel talking about Geology 210, a unique field class for sophomores taught every September down in Bishop, California. Have you seen that video? If not, the link to that video is down below in the descriptions of this one. Most of it is talking about the course, but at the end of that video, I asked if some of you might be motivated to support Geology 210 to lower the cost of this very important class for our majors. And so this is a thank you video because as of today, there have been 210 donations. 210 of you. That's perfect. Geology 210 video, or 210 donations, totaling more than $30,000 US dollars. And so thank you is the message, not only from me, and it's truly sincere, without being overblown and flowering about it. In addition to me thanking you, the Geology 210 instructor and department co-chair, Ann Egger, has a quick message for you, those that donated. This is Ann talking to you. Since I started teaching the Introductory Field Methods course here at CWU, I have fantasized about it being free for students. I had no idea how to make that happen. I only knew that some of the fancy schools that I had gone to never asked me for more money to pay for field trips that I went on. And I've learned a lot over the last 11 years here in Ellensburg, and I've realized that what we really needed was an endowed fund that would generate income to cover course fees. I thought we might be able to make that happen with help from a few generous donations, but I wasn't sure how to find them. But now, this is still Ann talking to you, even though I'm reading it. You have made it all happen. Your enthusiastic support and generosity will allow us to establish that endowed fund right now. And though we still have a long way to go to make it free for students, we are going to be able to start reducing fees for all students starting this year, especially critical since our expenses are going up. This is a dream come true for us here at CWU. So Ann says thank you, I say thank you, and that's the end of the thank you portion of this video. Let's transition to a few announcements for what you can expect coming to a theater near you. No, coming to this channel in the coming months. One of them I think you already know, but let me get a couple more little index cards here. The one that I think you already know about, thank you Kay from Seattle again for the gift. A personalized license plate, Baja, BC. So I've already made this announcement that this coming winter, starting in November and going through February of 2023, we will do a Baja, BC A to Z live stream series. Looking forward to it. I've already started learning. If you've seen a few of the last videos, you already know that I'm starting to think seriously about our series. Can't wait for that. 2 live streams per week. Throws it into the sprinkler. But there's 2 more announcements that nobody knows about until right now. I hereby declare, Patrick and others, that this coming spring, the spring of 2023, I'm teaching Geology 351 again. There will be live streams from the classroom, 2 of them a week, and you will be joining us with some field trips devoted to the Ice Age floods and all the new research, including Jerome Lessman and Joel Gombiner and Sky Cooley and others, and the old-timers as well will be part of that scene. Old-time geologists, old-timers, maybe some of you. Okay? So you put that on your calendar for spring of 2023, and finally, recently approved something called a Penrose Conference run by the Geological Society of America and put together by co-conveners Basil Tikoff, University of Wisconsin, Stacia Gordon, University of Nevada, Reno, and a couple others. This will be happening based out of McCall, Idaho in late July and early August of next summer. And hardwired right into that program will be the top geologists around the world. Karin Siglock and others will be flying in from France, coming to McCall, Idaho, but we will be live streaming from there on occasion and even offering a couple of public field trips, led by Basil, I think, but I don't really know. It's pretty early on that sort of thing. So there's plenty of excitement to share, and the point is, you know, you and I met in this backyard a couple of years ago. We were doing 5 live streams a week just to get through the hardest part of the lockdown, and that momentum continues to this very day. And so, as I sweat in the sun, 95 degrees right now, here's to you and your health. Here's to the health of your family and friends. And here's to looking forward to new times that you and I can be together, live or after the fact in recorded form. Thank you, I love you, and goodbye from Ellensburg, Washington, USA. Bijou is sleeping.